From the BCS homepage, select Jace Kit Builder in the main menu. On the Jace Kit Builder page, select Honeywell under Brand. Next, choose your hardware. Choose your core. Device upgrades are optional. Choose one, or skip this step. Select your SMA terms. Hardware add-ons are optional. Choose one, or skip this step. Accessories are optional. Choose one, or skip this step. Third-party drivers are optional. If you select one, there are additional selections you must complete. If you've chosen to include a third-party dericer, select which brand you are integrating with. Once you've selected your brand, choose how many points you need. Select your third-party driver. Some third-party drivers require additional equipment. Be sure to select any that appear after you've chosen your third-party driver. Choose your kit quantity. Review your kit details and add to cart. View the kit in your cart. Check out, request a quote, or save your cart for later.